property. Everybody had to go to higher ground. Those at the office already know how this goes. Your pumps inspect. Higher ground morning. Good morning. Let's see. Now, walk this way. Then you'll get the expanse of what it is. It's still low right now. There's a street over there somewhere. I'm up at the... Oh! Now that was... Now you know I was out here not too long ago. So, somebody's insurance job is right there. And all over there is flooded. But that's it. As usual, the ice machine is capsized. I need these over the knee. If I go any further, I'm going to be soaked. But the key thing is, the gas price is now basically covered. That is a critical height point, and that's a new gas zone. Trying not to be wet, but it's going to happen. It's just part of the course. We have a lake. Welcome to King and Eugene. Lakefront property here in seasonal, I should say. And the garbage can is over. Now, as you see, I sort of went up a hill because that's a basin, and then what would normally save us up here is that we go on higher ground. What's critical to look at the wall at the school and the water height. That's what lets you know. This is when I can say, yes, we are at Matthew standard right now. 2016 point, Matthew standard. Let's see, should I take a quick walk? Not really. It's quiet. In the rain. All right, later. Good morning from Lakefront property at King and Eugene, right across from the James Simmons School. Remember I told you about the wall at the school and what the water looks like when it's approaching height? Yeah, we're at Matthew height. We are at that 2016 height. Let me do a quick walk over here. You can tell by where the refuse came up how much the water waves had kicked through. See the price at the gas station. That's a critical moment, especially the fact that that's a new raise sign, but it's still working. But when you can't see the price at the gas station, we got water. This one, I don't know what you thought you was doing, but you came through. Alright, can I do this? Am I foolish enough? That's our pump station, or beginning of it, part of the Hugie Street storm drainage project. And as you see, the lakes are right here. Thank you to my big brother Reddy for my tall boots. And for those at the office, yeah, you got water. And they had to move all the cars to the high ground. Hey, that's Greenheart Urban Farm over there, folks. Plants got a good watering today. Let me go back inside this. Welcome to King and Hugie lakefront waterfront property here in Charleston, South Carolina. It's just a bit of hurricane season. Tropical storm Debby decided to pass on through. Let me get on this side. Y'all done had enough for this morning. Now that dang garbage can. That's another reason I want to take garbage can there. And turned over. But that water's holding. I don't know what time high tide is. Usually when the water holds like this, because as you saw before, 4:30 there was nothing out here. By 6:30 we had water. Yeah, boot height. So, and that's not even on the sidewalk yet. But as you see, I get the higher ground because the basin's down there. And whew, oh, waves about to hit. That fire truck's coming through. Let me go up here. They knew what they were doing when they built this. Y'all want to see a phenomenon? Here we go. Oh, he turned. Because he sit there. No. They went through here earlier. They know the depth of this water. There's a second emergency vehicle making that turn as well. So, if the emergency vehicles are avoiding King and Hugie, don't you think you should? Don't be like that person. Don't test it. Peace.